Good morning, viewers. It's Friday morning, February 21, 2025, and I'm your host, Sunil Thakker of Sunny Talks Money. Welcome to ST Money's 7 a.m. early morning news, where we provide you the latest, concise, and precise stock market wrap. Stocks fell from all time highs as a disappointing forecast from the world's largest retailer added to concern about the economy's main engine. US stocks sold off on Thursday as a downbeat forecast from Walmart dampened investor risk appetite. Major stock indexes slid on Thursday, with investors unsettled by a note of caution in Walmart's forecast. The Dow Jones Industrial Average led losses, dropping 1%. The S&P 500 retreated after ending Wednesday at its third record high of 2025. The Nasdaq Composite closed 0.5% lower. America's biggest retailer posted strong results that met elevated expectations, but investors focused on its weaker than expected sales guidance for the coming year. It provided current fiscal year sales and profit forecasts that fell shy of analysts' expectations, which suggested dampening consumer demand. Walmart Chief Financial Officer John David Rainey said wallets are still stretched. Walmart shares sank 6.5%. Weaker guidance from the first major retailer to report earnings this year added to concerns about consumer strength that bubbled up after US retail sales fell more than expected in January. Other large retailers, Target and Costco Wholesale, lost 2% and 2.6% respectively. Among the 11 major sectors in the S&P 500, financials lost the most, dropping 1.6%. Energy enjoyed the biggest percentage gain, rising 1%. Big bank stocks too fell sharply despite no clear news catalyst, which some analysts contribute to economic concerns. Goldman Sachs and JP Morgan Chase both tumbled about 4%, joining with Walmart to drag the Dow Jones Industrial Average lower. Another market darling also faced pressure, with reports of potential US defense budget cuts weighing on Palantir. Shares in the data analysis specialist sold off, extending Wednesday's loss. Palantir's technologies, which provides governments with services such as software that visualizes army positions, shed 5.2% after a Pentagon announcement on Wednesday that it was looking at potential budget cuts for the fiscal year 2026. Hasbro jumped 13% after the toy maker beat quarterly profit and revenue estimates. Medical device firm Baxter International gained 8.5% after the company provided a better than expected 2025 profit forecast. US listed shares of Alibaba Group advanced 8.1% following the Chinese e commerce firm's consensus beating third quarter revenue. The meme stock king and investor Ryan Cohen has his sights set on the Chinese e commerce behemoth Alibaba. In recent months, he has grown his personal stake in the company to roughly 1 billion or about 7 million shares. Alibaba stock trades at around $130 today, up from around $75 a year ago. Meanwhile, President Trump said late Wednesday that a China trade deal was possible. However, the news failed to boost Chinese stocks or stir the yuan. US Treasury yields inched lower with the benchmark 10-year settling at 4.498%. The gold rally continued with futures settling at $2,940 a troy ounce, a new record. Gold prices surged to a record high, suggesting a flight to safety amid mounting uncertainties. Bitcoin also rose 2.3% to $98,548. Investors will now be focused on US S&P Global Manufacturing and Services PMI, existing home sales, consumer sentiments due today. That's it for today, my dear viewers, from me. And if you're enjoying our content, please do subscribe, share, and like this video as much as possible. I need your assistance in this, please. I will see you now on Monday morning. Have a great weekend. In the meantime, happy investing, stay inspired, and remember, it is all about money.